Welcome to your very first video that you'll be whisking on your own for video 1.2, solving multi-step equations. Let's get excited. Make sure you are whisking the entire time you are watching. You are pausing to take notes and summarizing what's on each page. Make sure you write down all the math that I do for each problem, and then you answer your hot question at the very end. So some reminders for this topic of solving multi-step equations: use what you know, combine like terms on both sides, follow PEMDAS, order of operations, and remember your goal is always to isolate the variable. So write down example 1. What is the solution of this problem right here? 5 equals 5m minus 23 plus 2m. So I see right off the bat that there are two like terms on the side of the equation. I'm going to combine them first. So I am left with 5 equals 5m plus 2m is 7m minus 23. And now I have a simple two-step equation like the ones we worked on yesterday in class. So I know my first step is to move the constant, which is 23. I know that because it does not have a variable with it. I add 23 to both sides because I want that to be 0. Remember, my goal is to isolate the variable of m. So I add 23 to both sides. Negative 23 plus 23 is 0. It cancels out. 5 plus 23 is 28. And that is equal to 7m. And my final step is to get rid of that 7. 7m is equal to 28, but I want to know what 1m equals. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 28 divided by 7 is 4. M equals 4. And I can go back and check if I did it correctly by plugging in a 4 where I see an m. 2 times 4. So 5 equals 20 minus 23 plus 8. 5 equals negative 3 plus 8. 5 equals 5. That's a true equation, so we did it correctly. You will also have word problems associated with this skill. So this word problem says, Martha takes her niece and nephew to a concert. She buys t-shirts and bumper stickers for them. The bumper stickers cost $1 each. Martha's niece wants 1 t-shirt and 4 bumper stickers, and her nephew wants 2 shirts but no bumper stickers. If Martha's total is $67, what is the cost of 1 shirt? So that's the main question right there. What is the cost of 1 shirt? So I'm going to underline that. And then we also have some other information. We know the bumper stickers cost $1 each. And then her niece wants 1 shirt and 4 bumper stickers, and her nephew wants 2 shirts but no bumper stickers. So the first thing I'm going to do is set my variable equal to what I need to know, and that is that what is the cost of 1 shirt? So S equals the cost of 1 shirt. I'm using S for shirt. Then I also know it's all equal. Her total is $67. And I know if I add the cost of what her niece did and then her nephew, if I add those together, I'll get 67. Now her niece wanted 1 shirt and 4 bumper stickers. The bumper stickers are $1 each, so I know the total cost for bumper stickers was 4. So I'm going to say the cost of a shirt plus 4. And then I also know her nephew wanted 2 shirts but no bumper stickers, so that's like 0 for the bumper stickers. I don't have to put it there. But there are 2 shirts. And now I have an equation. S plus 4 plus 2s equals 67. Well, I can combine my like terms right here and here for 3s plus 4 equals 67. I move my constant by subtracting 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. And I get 3s equals 63. I divide by 3 to find out what 1s equals, and find out that the cost of 1 shirt is $21 because 63 divided by 3 is 21. Make sure you get all that down. You do not have to write down the entire word problem. The final example that we're going to go through is one that looks complicated because of the fractions, but I promise you is not. Our first rule always when adding or subtracting fractions is that we need to make a common denominator. And I see right now that these two fractions have unlike denominators. If they had the same denominator, then I could do what we did yesterday by just multiplying by the reciprocal, but they don't. So that's what we're going to do now, is make them have the same denominator, so then we can just multiply by the reciprocal. So if I take 3x over 4 and negative x over 3, I want to get them to the common denominator, and the least common multiple that they have in common is 12. So I need to get both of these denominators to 12. So how I'm going to do that is multiply this fraction by 3 over 3. That's just like multiplying by 1. We're not changing the value of it, just the numbers. So we get 9x over 12. Then we're going to multiply this one by 4 over 4. Again, we're not changing the value of anything. We're just changing the size of it. So now we have 9x minus 4x over 12. And I just combine my numerators to be 5x over 12. So that's what this side of the equation is simplified to, 5x over 12. So I'm going to rewrite our problem as 5x over 12 equals 10. Now I have a denominator, I have a division problem, so I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. And I get 5x equals 120. I'm going to divide by 5. And 120 divided by 5, x equals 24. Your hot question: what is the solution of negative 8 times the quantity 2x minus 1 equals 36? I need to know what x equals. Write that in the Google Doc after you watch the video. Do not forget to answer your hot question. Good luck.